Hey everyone, today I've got some insider tips for you. We are diving into ChatGPT Hacks. It is like having secret tricks up your sleeve to make more money in 2024. Think of it as your guide to boosting your ChatGPT game. Before starting, let me show you some proof of success that people have achieved by using these, so you will know that they really work. First, head over to ChatGPT. Let it run in the background as it might take some time. Then provide ChatGPT with a prompt, generating 100 prompts for social media marketing. As ChatGPT generates prompts, we'll discuss why these prompts are valuable. So, pass the prompts as "Give me 100 ChatGPT prompt for social media marketing." Then, it will show you the results according to your prompt. After that, open up a new tab and search for medium.com here. So, platforms like YY.com allows us to sell these prompts as digital downloads. It is all automated. Buyers get instant downloads when they purchase, making it a hands-free process for sellers. Now, let us revisit the example of the Etsy shop that earned over $100,000 by selling prompts. You can find prompt packages with various themes on Etsy. So, click on its search bar and search for ChatGPT prompts in here. They have a wider range of prompts, showcasing the potential of this method. Now, click to open any of the following prompts and you can check out its pricing. If you want these prompts, you can add it to a basket or check out with PayPal. Also, the digital download is available and the data file type is also mentioned. You can find out the instant download and then your files will be available to download once payment is confirmed. Instant download items don't accept returns, exchanges, or cancellations. You can contact the seller about any problems with your order. Then, get back and select any of the following prompts. Well, you can buy the prompt or make an offer for it. If you want to explore more options, add it to collections, or for the final purchase, add it to the basket. A digital download is also available for this item. You will be able to see the reviews of different people here. After that, you can message Fexel from the same site. Now, head back to ChatGPT and share a fun fact about your company's history in a Facebook post. Create a series of Instagram stories giving a sneak peek into your daily office life. Then create a YouTube tutorial showcasing unique ways to use your product. The key is to create engaging prompts. Once ChatGPT generates them, compile them into a file. I recommend using Google Docs for better formatting. Then, create a PDF document for easy sharing and selling. Now, let us discuss creating visually appealing images for your prompts. Platforms like Canva.com offers templates for thumbnails. Then, edit your thumbnail template according to your needs. When you are editing, the thumbnail tab on the search bar. Search for a laptop and elements, or you can upload the image and place it on your thumbnail. Once you're done, click on the share button from the top right corner and download the thumbnail. To enhance the presentation, you can use mock-up images from sites like pixels.com. Alternatively, Photoshop can be employed for a more customized approach. Beyond Etsy, there are other platforms like prompt.com and Fiverr where you can sell your ChatGPT prompts. Consider exploring these options to maximize your earnings. That concludes this quick tutorial on making money with ChatGPT in 2024. Now create your prompt packages, set up an Etsy listing, and potentially start your Etsy shop. Hope you got some value. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.